All game objects in Unity have this property called tag. You can select an existing one or create your own tags. The topic from today's video is how to find an object from the scene that has a certain tag assigned. But check in the description for videos with other methods, because you won't always be able to use this one. So here I have an empty game object. I'm gonna create a new tag and I'm gonna assign it to it. Then I create a new script and I'm gonna assign it to a new empty game object. There. And inside this script we will find this object by tag. So the idea is very simple. You could define a public reference, a public game object variable. Let's call it, for example, object found. In this variable we will find the reference of the object. And then in the start function, for example, we use the following instruction. GameObject, with the first letter in uppercase, dot find GameObject.WithTag. Make sure you choose this one. In between parentheses and in quotations, we write the exact name of the tag. So this function will search on the scene, and if there is an object with this tag, it's gonna return it. So this instruction is equivalent to a GameObject, and therefore we can assign the instruction to this variable we defined. By the way, I have a playlist full of Unity tutorials in my channel. I'm just saying, you might find them useful. Now look at this field. This is the variable we defined. Right now it's empty, but when I press play, an object appears, and it's the object with the tag we assigned. This means that we got the reference of the object, and therefore we will be able to use that object in our script. In case there is more than one object with the same tag, we are gonna get the reference of the first object Unity finds, and may not be the object we wanted to find. So in that case, this method won't work. Check in the description for more methods to find references. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to check my playlist full of Unity tutorials. See you next time.